What's up, guys, and welcome to another trading analytics video. I'm Trade Owner, and this is Trading with TA. So we got a big event going on tomorrow, and that is, of course, NVIDIA's earnings. And that thing is likely going to affect or play a significant factor in where the market direction goes for the remainder of the week, as well as how we begin our September climb. But before we get into some of the additional details, if you guys haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of content. It really helps us out. Also, if you guys haven't already, go check out our Discord server. Link to that will be in the description of this video, as well as in our channel bio. We currently have two active $1K to $10,000 challenges and another $10,000 to $20,000 challenge active in our server. Here's some of the results that you see from our testimonials. Link again is in the description of this video and our channel bio. Now let's get to the actual content. With NVIDIA, guys, as you can see here on my screen, we are in a very interesting spot heading into this ER. One is the biggest thing that the market is kind of waiting with bated breath for. We had Jackson Hole last week, where we saw a lot of volatility in the market space, as well as, you know, the general seasonality of the markets, with August and September typically being some of the slower months in the stock market, with September actually historically being the worst performing month. We got a lot of market makers and institutional investors doing a lot of stock loss harvesting in that month. But with NVIDIA's recent volatility, we've seen huge swings in the chip sector. Now, yesterday we saw a massive dip on the chips overall, which brought the market down. And today we saw a little bit of a bounce before we got a nice tight consolidation here above 126.50 on NVIDIA. Now, that level is very important, because should we have lost 126.50 for an extended period of time, we're likely going to retest 122, as you can see here on this the chart. And should we have lost 122, really the next strong support isn't down until about 112 on the ticker, which, you know, would not have put the market in a great spot, to say the least. Now, I say this chart is very interesting going to earnings because there's two likely scenarios that can happen. So everyone in the world expects NVIDIA to beat. There's been an increase in their demand. There's been a lot of partnerships announced since the last ER, which also had a lot of partnerships announced. And a lot of companies are looking to collaborate with the chip leader in different areas of their businesses. Now, the thing that can affect NVIDIA more so than their actual ER report is what their guidance looks like, because with all that demand they've had, it's been a very difficult time for them to be able to produce enough supply to satiate that demand, right? But to keep it really quick and really brief, NVIDIA, should have a positive earnings beat and the guidance be a positive number as well, we are likely looking to break this upper level of resistance here at 136. As you can see here on my chart, if we're able to break through 136 with consistency and with a nice bit of volume, we're blowing through new all-time high territory, which was previously established in the 140s for this ticker as well. Now, with NVIDIA, it's also important to note that should we beat and guidance not be as sparkly as a lot of people would like them to have been, then it's actually likely that we'll find this 136 zone to be a pretty key level of resistance before breaking down and retesting the lows that I established about 112. And that's only if guidance is bad. Now, me personally, I lean more towards the fact that I think that we're going to beat on ER and have not necessarily good guidance, but not bad guidance either. So I think we're going to be somewhere in the middle, which would lead us to consolidate above this 136 zone on the chart before using that as the new level of strong support to retest and bounce for newer highs heading into the Christmas season. So that's what I got for NVIDIA. We're going to revisit this ticker tomorrow post ER as a direct earnings reaction. But I just want to do a quick hit video to kind of give you guys my thoughts on what I think is going to happen with the earnings. So again, if you guys enjoy this content, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, because it truly does help us out a ton. And once again, our link to our Discord is in the description of this video, as well as in our channel bio. Last time we gave some NVIDIA predictions, we had in our self-service trade tab, we rocketed from just under 105 all the way up to 123 on that alert. So we know what we're doing a little bit, and suffice to say, I think we're good at what we do. But in any case, I've been Trade Owner. This is Trading Analytics. Thanks for watching.